Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel is Smart Study. In today's class what we are going to discuss means we have completed second lesson, right? Teeth and microbes. Regarding that lesson whole test I have given. Okay, we have completed that lesson. Now you can test yourself by solving these answers. Okay, one after one we shall see. Firstly I am zooming it. Okay, first one. A bit, choose the correct answers, children. First question, what is there here? This is the hardest part of a tooth. Which is the hardest part of the tooth? I told on the tooth upper side it will be there no white color shining material, that is called as what? Enamel. So what is the answer, children? Enamel. Spelling is what? Enamel. Yes or no? What is the spelling of enamel? Enamel. It is very important. In tooth I told two parts will be there, crown and root. Yes or no? Crown we can see, root we cannot see. Yes or no? The upper white color substance, that is called as what? Enamel. That will be very hard. So which is the hardest part of the tooth means what you should say? Enamel. Spelling is Enamel. Now moving to the second one. What is the other name of temporary teeth? Milk teeth, permanent teeth, canines. What is the answer? Milk teeth. I told there will be two sets of teeth. First one is temporary teeth. Second one is the permanent teeth. This temporary teeth is also having one more name, that is what? Milk teeth. Generally how many milk teeth will have? Milk teeth or temporary teeth both are same. 20 we will have. Okay. Next, permanent teeth 32. Now moving to the third one. This instrument is used to see the tiny living organisms called microbes. Tiny means what I told children? Small. Okay. This instrument is used to see small living organisms called microbes. Which is that? Microscope. MICRO micro SCOPE scope. Microscope is our answer. Now fourth one. These are also known as cutting teeth. Okay, what is these are also known as the cutting teeth. What is the other name for cutting teeth? I told for you. There will be four types of permanent teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. What is the other name of cutting teeth? Incisors. Listen, first one is what? Incisors. Incisors are also called as cutting teeth. Second one is canines. Canines are also called as tearing teeth. Third one is premolars. Premolar also called as cracking teeth. Last one is molars. What is the other name for molars? Means grinding teeth. So here what they are asking us, these are also known as cutting teeth. What is the answer? Incisors. First one, first set of teeth. Incisors are also called as what, children? Cutting teeth. The other name of the incisors is cutting teeth. If they ask, these are also called as tearing teeth means you should write canines. Okay. Next, last one. We should eat or drink this to keep our teeth healthy. For keeping our teeth healthy, what we should eat or drink they have given? Sweets, milk, oil. Milk, no? So milk is the answer. First one is B, second one is A, third one is C, fourth one is B, fifth one is B. Now we shall move to the next bit. B bit, that is hard words. I am zooming it. Okay, what are the hard words they have given here, children? See it now. In any lesson, before starting the lesson, you need to learn the hard words perfectly. Then only you can attempt any question answers or fill in the blanks properly without any spelling mistakes. So, first one, what is there? Hard words TY dash H dash I dash. What is this? Can you guess? Typhoid. What is the spelling of typhoid? TY P. I am writing again. This is P, children. TY PH O. Is it looking like O? TY PH O I OID. Okay, typhoid. I am saying whole spelling. Listen carefully. TYPHOID. T. Again I am saying, you listen. Typhoid is the spelling of typhoid. Because of the bacteria microbe we will get this disease called what? Typhoid. Next one. Second one is what? C dash N dash N dash S. Canines. What is the spelling of canines? This is A. Okay. Wait for 1 minute. CANI. This is INES. So what is the spelling of canines, children? CANINES. Canines. Third one is what? Plague. PLAQUE. Okay. PLAQUE. Next one is what? Microbe. MICROBE. B. This is microbe. 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 Okay, this is B. Don't think R. Next one is what? Crown. Spelling of crown. CROWN. This is our crown spelling. CROWN. Now next, moving to the true or false. C bit. What they have given here? See. Read the question. The enamel protects the inner parts of our tooth. Yes or no? Enamel will protect all the inner parts of our tooth. That answer is what? True. So I am writing here T. Next one. Some microbes are useful to us. Is it true or false? True. Okay, I have given some microbes. If I have given all microbes are useful to us, it will be false. You know that microbes, some will be useful, some will be harmful. So they have given us some microbes are useful to us. So the answer is true. Next one. The soft and pink fleshy part around the teeth is called gum. Yes or no? On our teeth, around up and down, the pink color one will be there, no, like flesh it will be there. That is called what? Gum. Chigulla antam kadana. So answer is true. All three options are true. Now moving to the blanks. Disease causing microbes are called dash. I told the other name is there for disease causing microbes. What is that? Germs. Answer is what? Germs. Spelling of germs. 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 Now moving to the next one. There are dash number of permanent teeth. How many permanent are there? Teeth are there? 32. Milk teeth will be 20, I told. Permanent teeth will be 32. Temporary teeth and milk teeth both are same. If they have given here there are dash number of temporary teeth, means you should write 20. Permanent teeth means 32. Next, third one. Dash can weaken the enamel and make the small cavities in it. What did I told? Plaque. Okay. Plaque spelling what? PLA. Already here I have given in the hard words. PLA. A. This one is A. PLA. QUE. Okay. This plaque can weaken the enamel and make the small cavities in it. Okay. Next bit. Match the following. First, milk teeth, how many are there? They are asking. How many milk teeth are there? 20. Milk teeth or temporary teeth, both are same, I told. So, milk teeth are how many, children? 20. Next one. Incisors. How many incisors will be there, I told? Incisors will be 8. Third one. Canines. How many canines are there? 4. Third one. Premolars. These incisors and premolars will be same. Incisors are 8. Premolars also will be 8. Where is other 8? Here. Next. Molars. How many molars will be there? 12. Total there will be 4 types of permanent teeth. First one is incisors. second one is canines, next one is premolars, next one is molars. How many incisors will be there, children? Incisors will be 8. I am writing here. Here I will write. See, incisors will be 8. Second, canines will be 4. Third one, premolars again 8 only. Okay, both these incisors and premolars are 8. Last one, molars, how many will be there? 12. 6 will be there in upper jaw, 6 will be there in the lower jaw. Now I am writing answers here also. Check once. First one, milk teeth 20 I told. So I will write with other pen. Wait. So milk teeth are how many? 20. So first answer is what? D. First answer is D. Second one is what? Incisors. I told 8. C. C or A. Anything you can write. Why? Because near C option also 8 only is there. A option also 8 only is there. Anything you can write. I'll give marks. Next one is what? Canines. Canines, how many are there? 4. Where is the 4 option? E. So third one is E. Fourth one is premolars. I have written here A. Here you can write A or C in this both. Next, molars is 12. So B is our answer. Next, moving to the short answers. What is the function of the premolars? Why premolars are used, children? I told they are used for crushing and grinding the food. That means they'll make the food into paste. So you should write premolars are used for crushing and grinding the food. Okay? Crushing, spelling CRUSHING. Crushing. This is I. Crushing and grinding. Okay, grinding spelling is what? GRINDING. So premolars are used for crushing and grinding the food. Now moving to the next question. Second question. Okay, what is there here? Second question. Which vitamin is important for healthy teeth and gums? Which vitamin is important for healthy teeth and gums? Which type of vitamin food if you eat your teeth and gums will be strong? I told vitamin C. Okay. Which vitamin? You should say vitamin C is important for healthy teeth and gums. Okay. Next, long question answers already I have given in notes, because that much big question answers I can't write here now. You can check. Why are teeth important for us? Means they help us in chewing, biting, grinding the food, and they also help for us in the digestion process. So we should keep our teeth healthy every time. That time only, without getting any problems, our teeth will be strong. That time what will happen? If teeth are strong, we can avoid going to the doctor. Who is the doctor? What is the name of the doctor who treats the teeth? Dentist. We call dentist, right? Yes. Next one. Second question. What are microbes? Give any 2 examples of useful microbes. What did I told? What are microbes means? Some small, tiny. Tiny means what I told? Small. Some small living organisms will be there which we cannot see through the eyes. Such organisms only are called as what? Microbes. Then with what we should see that one? We should see the microbes with a special instrument called microscope. With the help of the microscope we can see the microbes. Next, give any 2 examples of useful microbes. I told in microbes there will be useful one will be there, harmful one will be there. They are asking, give the examples, any 2 examples of useful microbes. So what did I told? First point is what? Some microbes like yeast are useful in making the bread and bun. And next, some microbes are also useful in the process of digestion. So these are our answers. In the next class, I will come with the third chapter. Till then, bye children. Stay at home and be safe. And one more point, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Smart Study.